Welcome, friends. We've learned that when Jesus gave us directions by which to live our lives, those exhortations reflected the way our Father lives. For this reason, we may learn incredible truths about our Father from each of the life directives Jesus gave. With this in mind, let's turn our attention to the Beatitudes. The first one says, "Blessed are the poor in spirit." From this we know God is poor in spirit. Not poor as if impoverished, but poor in the sense that he is beggarly. God is willing to stoop to begging. Like deep calls out to deep, Psalm 42 says, God calls out to us, begging that we bring our deep need to his deep resources. Proverbs 120 depicts God's wisdom personified as a woman crying out in a public square to anyone that would listen. God is not above begging. Godspeed, my friends.